Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. Just a quick video on something new I added onto the CNC after the controller upgrade. I added this touchscreen for CNC Control. The touchscreen is connected onto a Raspberry Pi 5 that's installed in the controller box, and the Raspberry is connected to my local Wi-Fi. On that Raspberry Pi I have NC sender as well as gsender installed for my control software. And having it connected onto my local Wi-Fi means I can send files remotely to the controller and run it straight from the touchscreen. So we can do a home sequence. And we can send it to the park position. And we can upload files. And run. Let's go ahead and test gsender. So that was a quick demonstration of the Raspberry Pi and the touchscreen controlling the CNC. It really makes operation so much more convenient. And for ease of use, I mounted the screen onto this pole and I can swivel it out of the way or into a different position if I want to use it in this orientation. Thanks for watching.